Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add images and logos here in Looker Studio Reports. Let's begin. Adding images and logos to your Looker Studio, or formerly known as Google Data Studio, is a straightforward process that can enhance the visual appeal and branding of your reports. Now, first off, when you open your Looker Studio report, make sure that you are log into the correct account and you are on the edit mode, because this is going to be in the view mode tab. I want you to click on this one so you get a better understanding of how we can add images. It's a straightforward process really, because all you got to do once you are here on the editing mode, go to the insert on the top corner, and all you have to do is click on image. Okay, what will happen is you would be having this cursor. There's like a red line that comes along with it that follows you, and there's going to be a box after that. You see, once you've done that, there's going to be an image properties in this side. Okay, and all you're going to do is select a file. Let's do that right now. Now, if you click on that, you would be able to drop your logo here. It's a very easy and a straightforward process. You can also use the image link right here. You can add an external URL to make this image component a clickable link. So let's do that right now. Now I have a small file here, and what I'm going to do is click this link right here. I'm going to copy that link and switch over to the Looker Studio report editor. And again, on this side right here, click on the image. You can also insert a link. Okay, paste that and click. See, when you paste that, you have an option for the first, previous, next, last, and that's going to be for dynamic page links. And we're going to discuss that in a more detailed video next time. But for now, this is going to be the basic way for you to add your videos here. You see? Okay, so we're going to add another image just beside this one. Maybe around here. And again, we're going to select a file. Now you see, you can preserve the aspect ratio. If you don't want, you can drag this to that. But the thing is, it's not what we wanted. So let's undo that and click on preserve aspect ratio. You have an option for the style as well. You can put in background border like red. You know, you can turn the opacity to 60. So it's all up to you. So basically, adding images, you also have an option for the style. You can put in a border color if you wanted. So there's a lot that you can work with. Okay, click on add border shadow. Click on this one. That's for the style. All right, and you can again paste that in. Basically, that's how you add images and logos here in Looker Studio Reports. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.